Do I appear to be an individual with no confidence, or do you get the feeling I'm an individual with confidence? You, which one is it? That's right. Good man. Correct answer. But rhetorically, why is that? I said one word. I said question. And immediately, you get the feeling, this guy right here is confident. Just through my communication. Confident communication. You want to know the formula for confident communication? It's very simple. Check this out. It is certainty plus conviction equals confidence. Certainty plus conviction equals confidence. I am Michael J. Fitt, professional motivational speaker. I reside right here in the one and only Visalia, California. I specialize in developing and teaching advanced techniques, mindsets, and behaviors that enhance your character, in turn, increasing your personal and professional performance. And I am on a mission to be recognized as the top motivational speaker on this planet. And there is no doubt in my mind that's what's going to happen. So if you want to take a selfie with me, take it now. You're going to give me a simple yes or no with certainty and conviction. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Woo! I'm going to ask you again, and you say, always. I'm always ready. I don't ever got to get ready because I stay ready. Are you ready?
Always.
Are you ready?
Always.
Are you ready?
Always.
Confidence hack number 1. It drives me through the wall how many times I hear daily people saying, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry. I will be walking on my path to my destination, and someone will move out of my way, and they will say, I'm sorry, and I will say, for what? And they will go, I don't know. Or is that what you're telling yourself every single time you apologize for existing? Does that sound like somebody with a lot of confidence? Or even self-esteem? What does that do to your self-esteem? Someone who lacks confidence. I'd rather be all of those than any of those other ones. Because in your life, in your business, in your career, how are people supposed to be confident in you if you aren't even confident in yourself? How can I be confident that if I give you that deal, you're going to close it? How can I be confident in you if I bring you aboard this team, you're going to flourish? You must have the self-confidence within, as well as be able to display that confidence. And if y'all are already standing, you're doing good, ahead of the game already, please stand up. Please stand. A meeting just like this. What does that say? I'm a little too interested in it. I'm just a little too eager. Which is good if you're at Disneyland or something. But if you are on your mission, if you are on your purpose, if you are about it, you want to display charisma. Remember this, charisma is king. Charisma is king. You want to display ultra confidence, you become charismatic. How do you become charismatic? If you are having a bad day and you are miserable and you need to snap yourself back into it, do this. But this is how we walk when we're feeling amazing. We're having a good day. time to feel amazing and good. Walk with purpose. Not walk like you have to use the restroom. But walk like if you were on a mission and you cannot be stopped. You right here, give her a round of applause. How many times has this happened? Walk straight at me and I'm walking straight at you. You see, you get out of somebody's way, right? But what happens when this happens? One more time. Walking straight at each other. Hello. How are you? Everybody else, no. One man, one woman. Volunteer. Come on up. Who's it gonna be? There we go. Here's an ultra confident man right here. Ultra confident woman. Ultra confident woman. Oh, he was closer. He beat you to it. No, you know what? Come up here too. Just come up here too. Not gonna make you two kiss or anything, so. But now let me get lady up here. Lady up here. One of you guys sit down. Thank you so much. Give him a round of applause. Stance. You stand square, sir. Who's got the power in this conversation? Now, you stand square and you give the confidence. There you go. When both feet are facing towards the person you're talking to, you're giving them your everything, all cards on the table. Now, in business, not sure you want to do that because it's like, you have me. There's no negotiating. Whatever you want, right? You want to negotiate. You have to lead them to believe that you're not so convinced. We need to negotiate. I need some things. You need some things. Let's work this out. Quick way to do that is to make sure one foot is pointed towards them and the other is pointing away. What does that do? In business, this foot says, okay, I'm listening. I'm interested in your deal. However, I'm not fully convinced. Same thing in dating. You're cute, but I have options. But to what degree? How long must we keep the eye contact? Because it's a little weird during the whole conversation. If a business deal doesn't go through, that's interesting. What's next? What I've learned about my exceptions and rejections is, okay, what's next? So if someone says yes, like, okay, great, what's next? If someone says no, okay, great, what's next? It keeps you just moving. It keeps the momentum going. See, because you never want to stop. That deal didn't go through. I give up. Who wants to go to the bar? I'm talking about in the rhythm that you speak. There is seeking rapport. You're seeking rapport with someone. Certain way that you talk conveys that you're not very certain or you're not very confident. You're seeking approval. If you are ultra confident, do you need anybody's approval?
No.
No, you don't. How you're feeling. Don't say anything. Ready? How you feeling? Or even if you do say something, have something that you say, because something that is very charismatic and interesting is when you answer a question with a question. So you ask me how I'm feeling.
How are you feeling?
How you think I'm feeling. But I need to know if you are ready.
Always.
Are you ready?
Always.
Are you ready?
Always.
A good thing you can do to improve your communication, the way that you speak, is a tongue twister. Memorize a tongue twister and just say it repetitively and see how fast you can say it. I will be right here warming up for my speech. Whether the weather is cold or whether the weather is hot, we'll be together whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. Whether the weather is cold or whether the weather is hot, we'll be together whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. Are there any questions?
Yes. When it comes to eye contact,